Daddy, get that back! Fun and back! I'm back in the real world! Hey, police monster truck, what's the matter? Why are you back? Did you find Handhouse monster? What's the matter? It's Handhouse monster truck! He's taking the world into a different place! When I catch him, he just come out there. And then he just say that, and he's supposed to say, and I see his crew come out. And he's going to kill me. And I need your help to stop him. Okay, we will do it. Alright everyone, we're here for a police monster truck. We need to get rid of Handhouse monster truck. Alright. Come on. Okay, here we come in this garage 6. Alright, here we are. So, here we are Here we are at the place for us to get upgrades. Time to open, close windows. Close windows.